Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys. Today I am going to tell you a very important, a hidden and a secret feature of Microsoft Windows, and you will be shocked how handy and useful it is once you know it. We often use copy and pasting in Microsoft Windows. We often copy text from the internet or other places and paste in Microsoft Word or Notepad. For example, if I open this Google Chrome and if I copy this text from here, right click copy or simply press Ctrl C from my keyboard and then I copy this text, Ctrl C I'm pressing from the keyboard, and then I copy this text. So I have copied 3 texts. Now if I go to Microsoft Word and if I paste it, right click and paste, or simply press Ctrl V from my keyboard. So you see only this last text is pasted. Now what if I want to use all the text which I have copied? So simply you need to press Windows V from your keyboard and then you see all the text appear here. Now you can simply paste it easily without the hassle of moving forth and back from one window to another window, which usually people do. And there is one more advantage, that when you press Windows V, this clipboard history appears and then you can pin a message also. For example, if I click on this 3 dot and I click on pin, then this message will stay even I restart my PC. Usually when we restart our PC, then all the clipboard messages disappears and becomes empty. But for example, if I have pinned this text also, please subscribe my channel Mark Sir Sohail on YouTube. So whenever I restart a Windows or whenever I want to use it, I will simply press anywhere Windows V from my keyboard and this clipboard will appear and I can paste it easily anywhere. And the same way you can pin multiple pictures or messages to your clipboard. So how to enable this clipboard? Stick around, I'll show you how. To enable clipboard, simply you will click on the start menu and write clipboard setting. As soon as I wrote clipboard setting appears here, so I'll just click here and then you can see here this clipboard history is already on, but usually it is off. When you are using a PC, it's off by default, so you need to enable it. So you need to just simply click on and boom, it's done. And now anywhere you can use the clipboard easily. You want to copy any text, anything, and it will come to your clipboard. So copy as more text as you want and it will remain in your history and you can easily paste it with Windows V. And you see it's coming here. So, and you can pin it also, customize it the way you want to use it. Hopefully this will be a really new feature for you and it will really come handy for you. I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, please like it, subscribe my channel as I upload informative videos every week, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Take care. Allah Hafiz.